Hello again. This is a Harbor Freight quick hitch that I purchased November of last year. So I've had it about 6 months so far. And I'm here to tell you that if there's a piece of machinery that I truly enjoy, it's this quick hitch. Now I've had to modify all of my attachments because everything I own is pre-quick hitch. So I had to do quite a bit of blacksmithing to get the pins and everything to align properly. But while it took me probably the better part of a month to get my attachments modified, it is worth every minute that I spent to do that. So I thought I'd go over just a few of the modifications I made to this unit. And I guess I'll start right up here on top. This clevis or hook or whatever you want to call it, I got rid of the bolt and I just went with a pin, and it just makes it a lot easier, and the bolt stuck out so far that it seemed to interfere on some of my older attachments. And on this top portion right here, it came from Harbor Freight with this nub on it, and it seemed like every time I'd back into an attachment it would want to roll off the back. So I just took it off and put it on my metal cutting bandsaw, and I have a fairly sharp point there now, and it just makes it a whole lot easier. Down on the bottom here I welded in some bushings for category 1 because they're set up for larger pins, and it just makes it a whole lot easier. Instead of changing all the pins on the attachments, this is modified and it fits everything I have. And I added some flat stock right here just to help guide the pins into these bushings that I welded in. Down here, these pins for the arms, the ones that came with the unit were just, obviously they're metric and they're just a little too small, so I made my own pins and they just fit a whole lot better. But all in all, I couldn't be happier with this unit. Just being able to back in and quickly couple up to an attachment is unbelievable. After 20 some odd years of wrestling with different attachments and having to change the arm adjustments and the top link, I mean, it took me 20 minutes before you saw. It's a matter of seconds, and I'm either coupled or uncoupled, and I'm on my way. If you're in the market for a quick hitch, I'd recommend you take a look at this. Obviously it's not a top of the line unit, but it's done everything I've wanted and more. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos, and have a nice day.